Hey, I'm Kana Sabaratnam and I'm the CEO of CodeBridge, and I'm here to make software fun and exciting for all you software developers. CodeBridge is actually a tool that helps you develop much faster than using a regular application. It's an intelligent tool that takes away at least 70% of your coding, and it generates the code based on your customers' requirements. To be honest, I saw myself doing the same thing over and over again for each project, for each customer. And I thought there must be an easier way to do this. And I used to have a lot of template files sitting around, and I put it together, and now it's CodeBridge. I actually built this tool so that customers now can build applications like Google. They can build not one, but two, but three, many applications, all just by using a software development tool that actually deploys applications much faster. Honestly, I had to reinvent myself every 5 years, and I've been in the industry for 29 years. So you can imagine the number of times I reinvented myself. But what I have done is put together all that experience in a product so that you can enjoy it by just a click of a button. So CodeBridge is not just about writing code, it's about creating a new generation of software developers that are professional, competent to deploy applications at the enterprise level. The highest benefit that users are receiving from this application is the students, because they can see an end-to-end deployment of an application. So this is what we are currently focusing on, teaching students how to build applications that are enterprise grade. There is no secret. What we have done is we have created an example project that you can deploy right from start. Within 5 minutes, you can deploy it to Azure or AWS or Google Cloud Run by yourself. But the bottom line is we are giving you the step-by-step procedure that we took to achieve that deployment. And that is the example, and that is the starting point for most people to deploy applications. Now, what we are doing is we are creating the IP for within the company. That means the software that you've written is entirely your own. And because software development now is so much easier, every piece of software that's in the company can be built in-house. That's why the IP is always retained by the customers. Every 10 years, there was always a technology breakthrough. And each time there's a technology breakthrough, there are two things that happen. One, there's an opportunity to learn and do more. And the other, the downside, it kind of deprecates the older technology. So only the resilient have to reinvent themselves and make that leap. When they make that leap, they find it is much easier. And all our technology that we are using right now is current. And I'm assuming that it's going to happen again in another 5 years. So we have to redefine how we are going to build applications. Building applications is no more sitting down and writing code. It's about making use of the tools out there and making your application as professional, as scalable, as enterprise as possible. And I'm referring to not just the Oracles and the Microsofts. I'm talking about every mom and pop shop should have this sort of technology at their fingertips. I think if you are curious about building an application, you should just come to our website. We have a very simple video to show you how you can build your first application. And even if that's too much, if you don't have any idea, you can actually use our sample applications. We have a library application, we have email application, we have a product application, we have an e-commerce store that you can immediately deploy. All you have to do is put in the pictures, put in your payment gateways, and put in your description about the products, and you're good to go. If you want to learn how to get started with CodeBridge, please go to our website. It's a very simple 4-step process to get your application up and running. So all you have to do is think about the application that's never been built before, and that will be your contribution to the IT industry. Thank you.